pressure washer went out on me the other day, so in the middle of the job. Can you believe that? I was getting ready to clean the car, and guess what happened?
What?
The pressure washer would not turn on. So you got to change this little fella here. That's called the hot plug, okay? So first we need to take it out. Hold up. We need to put the socket on. So this is a socket. So you put that on to here. Hold it. Match it up. How's it match? There you go. Push it hard. Alright. Now you slide that onto that. Now hold on. You got to take that off first. Twist it till it fits. So you got to slide it all the way down on that sit. There you go. It's on there. Turn it. Just make sure it's on. It's on.
Yep.
All right. Let's put that in. Hold on. Let me show you how to do it. Press that. Then you put it in there. Twist it till it fits. You gotta force it to go in. All right. Listen. Okay. So that's tightening. So we want to loosen it up. So switch that. There you go. Right there. Just go out of. Stop. It's a little tricky sometimes. Let's take it out. There we go. Now it's working. Press the button. Push it in. It's in. Alright. Twist it. No, this way. You're gonna have to hold. Long, like that. Now twist. Twist, tight, unloose. Now you're gonna have to put one hand down here to hold this. Take this hand, like that. Now go back. Alright. Untight, unloose. Alright. Now since it's already loose, take this out. Take this part out. Now use your hand, just twist it like that. You sit that down. Coming out? No, you're tightening. Loose. Stop. Like that. Just like you take a cap off this bottle. Like that. That way. Keep twisting. Just don't stop. No, that twist. Alright. Okay, it looks like it's almost out. So look, you see it over here? Look, you see where the threads are? Where it's coming out? See that little gap? So you can take it out by hand. You should be able to get it out by hand now. Take it off. Hold this piece. And twist it with your hand. Take it out. Okay, look at it. Let's see. Yeah, nice and black. So, yep, we're going to get a nice fresh one. So, hold on. That's the new one.
It's heavy.
Sit it down on the bench. Alright. So what you want to do, no, don't put it down in there. Get your socket. Just get the socket part. Don't worry about that in. That's all you need. I just put the ratchet down. This is the ratchet. And that's your socket. Now put your on the other side. The socket, son, the socket. What side did this go on? What side did that go? Flip it. Flip your spark plug. Twist it till it fits. Alright. Is it in there? Alright. There you go. Slow down. Just take your time. Take your time. Just start it. Start the thread. Make sure it's fitting. Twist in. That's. There you go. Is it going in? Okay. Now let's put our ratchet on.
Tight.
You want to put your ratchet on, or can you twist it more? You want to twist it more by hand? Nope, wrong way, wrong way, wrong way, wrong way, wrong way. Stop. There we go. So you're going to have to hold this with one hand while you twist it. There you go. So you want to make sure this only spin the way you're trying to turn it. So there you go. So you put a hand in here to keep it from spinning. Spin it, turn it all the way up. There you go. I'll keep going.
Okay, it's in. So it's in.
Hold on.
Now?
Slow down, Tommy. Did I say hold on?
So it's a guy, so peace out.
And this wasn't in here, so you probably don't have no audio. You gotta put it.
No.
You see it?
Yes.
Let me get a good, nice. A little bit more. So you want to make sure it's seated all the way.
Yeah.
Hey. There we go. So it's not too tight, but it's snug. Let it come off. Hold on. There we go. Alright, that's on. Then we're going to put this back on. Oh, yeah. That's good.
Beep beep.
Alright.
Oh my God.
I'm just going to do a quick pour just to make sure it comes on and test it, but you shouldn't run it without water. So come over here behind me. Hold this. So it's working. It was a spark plug, so I already knew that. And, but yeah, it wasn't working when I was on the job, so it wouldn't cough, choke, nothing. It wouldn't spit. So that, see how dirty and black that is? You don't want to. So you want to make sure you change the spark plug out on a regular basis. All right, nope. Are you trying to start it?
Yes.
No, you're not going to be able to start it, son. Let's leave it. And that's it. It's ready to go.